This foreign guy built a smokeless wood-burning stove from an old gas cylinder. Compact and convenient. You can cook and boil water at the same time. Super practical. Curious how he built it. Let's take a look. He started with a discarded gas cylinder. After adding water to dilute any residue, he cut off the bottom base. He also cut off the handle. Then he sanded the cylinder, removing all the paint. Next, he marked points on the cylinder. Based on the design plan, then cut along the marked lines. He cut an opening near the top, then marked the bottom, according to the design again, and drilled several holes. He polished the whole thing, then drew a circle using the center as reference, and cut it out. He added a rotating hinge, and made a door for feeding wood, drilled a hole on the door, and installed a handle. Then he installed an air intake vent right in the center of the door, just like that. It already looks high-tech and fancy. He then found the metal plate, matching the cutout area. He bent one edge 90 degrees, mounted it on the cylinder, marked it again, then trimmed off the excess, then welded it in place. Smooth the welded seams, so everything is flat and neat. He welded the four corners, and added a pre-made 90-degree smoke pipe. Attached the support frame. Then he took an old water heater, and removed the inner tank. Cut off the extra parts. Drilled same-sized holes on both ends, so a steel pipe could fit through. Drilled a hole on one side, and welded on a small pipe. Drilled another small hole on the other side, and attached a threaded fitting. Then welded the steel pipe through the center. Sealed off all extra holes. Installed a water spout. Sprayed on his favorite black paint. Finally, connected the two main components together. Extended the chimney pipe. And just like that, the multifunctional wood-burning stove was done. He poured mountain spring water into the inlet, lit the fire to test how it works. On a scale of 1 to 10. How would you rate this stove? Leave your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.